Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. As much as we all want to be paperless, sometimes you just have to print things. This Amazon Basics printer paper is great. It is a super affordable option that can get shipped right to your home or office, and it's a great quality paper. So this is a basic paper. This is the 8.5 by 11 inch, and you get 500 sheets per ream. And what I like about it is it works very well with every type of printer I have used it with. It resists paper jamming, and I always get a nice clean print without smudging. It dries quickly, so I've just been really happy with it. And they also have Sustainable Forestry Initiative certified sourcing, so that is important as well. It's a nice bright white paper, and it's everything that you need in multi-purpose copy paper. So if you're looking for an affordable copy paper that you can get shipped right to your door, it's super easy, then I would definitely recommend the Amazon Basics, and that is my point of view.